How to log out of Viber on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you log out of your Viber account from your desktop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Viber on your PC or laptop. Alright, after you open the Viber, you'll got such interface. So from here, at the top right corner, you'll have to click on settings. Alright, from the settings section, click on privacy and security. And from the privacy and security section, you'll have to scroll down and come on the sections like deactivate fiber on desktop. And from this section, you'll have to just click on the option deactivate. Alright, after you click on that option, you'll have to just again click on deactive over here. And after you choose deactive, it will remove your data from your Viber and deactivate Viber on this device, means your laptop or PC. And after you click on that deactive, you'll be able to log out of your Viber account from your desktop. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.